So you may be asking, what is one bold action that could make the world truly appreciate the diversity of women and girls' bodies? The real question is, what is the body image that women are striving for? Are we striving to be thin? Are we striving to appreciate our curves? Are we striving just to be healthy? I have an idea. It may sound simple to some, but it may be new to others. I'll start off by asking, what does it mean to be healthy? In my mind, I believe that being healthy is linked to the color green. Why? Because green is the color that symbolizes purity and going organic. So being organic with yourself and who you are is the process of being green. My concept of achieving a green body is quite simple. You start off with taking out a pen and a paper, and you start to jot down all your ideas about what your green body means to you and how you can approach that. These ideas are what you'll brainstorm as the first steps needed to getting to that green body. Green body can be done in so many ways, such as eating healthy. It may mean that you might order something healthier off of a menu instead of something fried. When you're grocery shopping, you might want to buy whole foods rather than processed foods or packaged foods. Also, in regards to exercising daily and keeping track of it will really help. I use an app on my phone called Calorie Counter, which really helps to track my progress throughout time. Also, in regards to keeping a positive attitude, that might be something that you want to add to your list, because when you have a positive attitude, you have so much more motivation. Being confident enough to push yourself and take responsible risks is another step that I would encourage you to add to that list. And also getting involved. What I mean by getting involved is that there's so many marathons, there's so many runs and walks that you can take part of. An example of this would be the Run for a Cure, or Jingle Bell Run, or the MS Walk. Basically, running for a cause really helps you to get involved and to appreciate yourself and the diversity around you. So the shift to going green and being organic with our bodies and who we are will not only help to sustain this planet, but also will help to sustain our bodies for the present and for the future generations to come. So let's get real, ladies, because you deserve it. Let's go green. Thank you.